Hi friends, today we are at the Bat Cave and we got up super early just so you could see it without other people. This is the side entrance that I come in when I have the Bat scooter. The Batmobile doesn't fit in it. Here, let's check it out. It's okay.
It does go through.
But if we come back over here, you might realize from pretty much every Batman franchise, the Bat Can, which is where they dispose of bat waste. But we're actually behind it right now, and this is the back entrance we're going in.
The Batmobile does fit this way.
Yep. Ooh. Cool little side thing over here. I'm gonna go to the other side, see if you can see me.
I see some legs.
Ah!
Found you.
This is how we walk in the Bat Cave. Maybe Christine can tell us more about this place.
Main thing I know is it used to be a rock quarry, and now it's used as the Bat Cave.
or it was on the old Batman TV show.
Yeah, and
Nice.
also they use it for lots of other filming and stuff, which made for a super short and easy hike to get here.
Yeah, I like that. Maybe we'll list out all those movies that have been filmed here.
There's a ton, apparently, according to the internet.
Can you remember any of them?
No, there was no list. It literally, the internet just said, oh, there's a lot of movies and TV shows that are filmed here.
Word.
So, probably a better Google search would tell us all of those.
Yeah.
But now here's the entrance.
Beautiful cave. There's the Bat Cave. It's over there. Go. Hi everyone, we woke up super early today. We're out of breath. We woke up super early today to check out the Bat Cave, but it took like 30 seconds, and so we're exploring a little more. We're on a trail, we might come to the Hollywood sign. Not sure, but we're totally
looking at the Hollywood sign.
That's right. We're total tourists today. So yeah, that's it. Let's go. This is kind of a cool little spot. We're right below the Hollywood sign. Right over there. But down below, all these horses. That's a lot of horseback tours. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us for our Bat Cave and Hollywood sign excursion. We've already knocked out about 5 miles. It's still early in the morning, so we're gonna get Christine some Starbucks and me a nice long nap.
Yeah.
But go and hit that like button if you want, or don't, whatever. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we would super appreciate it. So thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye. Think you can make your way to the center?